Hello. How are you guys? Very good. Yes. Yeah. This is your drive stand, and it's an on-demand mobile mechanical app, whereby if by any chance you get stuck on the road, you have your drive app. You just switch it on, and then when you open it, you can check the type of service that you want. Select the mechanics that will be on the display, depending on the radius.
Arigen here has got a special formula that you pour in a toilet bowl to prevent splashback when you're using a public toilet. So we're supporting manufacturing. Not only that, but this is Mukuru Kicks. Mukuru Kicks is a group of, it's a woman football club.
Hi guys.
They hand-stitched these beautiful leather balls that are hand-stitched, that are playable on our hard turfs here in Kenya. This is the best leather quality here in the guaranteed.
Good leather.
Yes.
When using diapers and we want to just let them stay with each other. So that's why we came up with this, but it also helps in reducing the landfills as well as just providing something that is sustainable for all.
Yes, my name is Cliff, Your Excellencies. In front of you are products from the Gurudu Ranch to recreate as an alternative source of protein, and this is our product. Are you willing to have a taste?
So we use, our space is called Summer Up. You can see. Yeah. So I just want to demonstrate using one of the tasks. So this is the tasks. When it comes all jumbled up. But at the end of the day, once we've worked through it, it's smooth. You can see the brand. You can see the product. You can see the sizes, all arranged orderly. Yeah.
So these are tasks that you get from somewhere, and then you work on it, and then
Submit, and it's approved by the quality assurance team before it is given to a client.
to a client.
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you very much.
Summer, Wendy is going to present it shortly, and just tell you a bit about how.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So Swama was founded in 2008.
One of the tasks. So this is the tasks: having the correct product, having the right size, and so that when you're our research-based project, we ensure that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. This facility here is a facility that gives opportunity to almost, I think, 3,000 young people in Kenya, right here. And we made this initiative part of the 5 pillars of the development of Kenya for the next 5 years. One of it is what we are calling the digital superhighway, that is going to make sure that we have an extra 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic in Kenya. And we are going equally to have 1,450 such facilities around Kenya. And we have all agreed that digital jobs, the jobs that you see being worked on around these tables, is going to be one commitment we have made, that we want to expand the opportunities for the people sitting here to as many young people in Kenya as possible. In fact, our target is to have 1.5 million young Kenyans like the ones sitting here working across Kenya. And over the next 5 years, this is what we are going to be doing. In fact, Your Excellency, we just changed the law in Kenya so that a facility called Constituency Development Fund will now be used to set up such hubs across the country, so that the many young people out of school, out of college, out of university can have an opportunity to interact with internet, with computers and with e-commerce and to be able to access digital jobs. We have now a phrase in Kenya. Kwamba tunafanya nini? Tunafinya computer, sio? Everybody ati? Ati naitwa? Tunafinya computer? Alafu dola inaingia? Dola inaingia kwa mfuko? They are saying, we will press the computer and dollars will come out and we will put it in our pockets. That is the scheme of things around here. And I am very happy. When I said this, many people thought it was a joke. Now, for those people who think it is a joke, kufinya computer na kuweka dola kwa mfuko, look at these guys. These guys ni wale these guys ni wale wanafinya computer. Ama si nyinyi mnafinya computer? Kabisa. And I want to thank Sama for giving this opportunity to this many young people. And it is our intention to expand and to extend this opportunity to millions of Kenyans out there. And that is why our members of parliament must do their bit, because we are committed to making sure that we use the digital space, including the whole extent to AI, machine learning, Internet of Things, to make sure that we expand opportunity for the young people of Kenya. Mr. Prime Minister, you are a great friend of Kenya. And we thought, we know you have not even reached your hotel, but we thought it is good for you to stop here, because I know your passion for young people. I have come to Ethiopia and I have seen with my own eyes what you are doing for the young people of Ethiopia. And in us, you have friends and partners. And I thought, because it is in your DNA and in your plan to empower young people in Ethiopia, I thought you'd just have a moment to see what Sama is doing to also empower, and what we in Kenya are doing to make it a possibility for more young people to have access to employment.
I was introduced to digital literacy through Sama in 2015, but graduated and joined Sama in 2016, where I started as an associate. Right now I'm a team leader. I've grown up in my career. Right now we're in a team of, we're managing about 200 as a project. And in the time I've been in Sama, I've been able to, move from slum of Mathare. Right now I live at a better house. I've been able to help my siblings, my brothers. I've gone to school, did diploma, and also pursuing degree. And the ripple effect of it is so intense. I represent the whole of these people, and so many families that have benefited from pressing the computer, na dola inaingia, na tunashughulikia familia, and we're really grateful. And you coming means also an opportunity, not only just for us, but for other people, and Sama to grow, and even the digital economy in this country to grow. So thank you so much, and God bless you.
The right marriage for Kenya, the right marriage for Ethiopia is when the youngsters are devoting or learning on AI, on data mining. Data mining is the future. Today, you're here just to get dollar, but tomorrow, you are protecting Kenya, you are protecting Ethiopia, you are protecting Africa. Because traditionally, when we talk about protecting our sovereignty, we've been talking about territories. But on this specific area, there is no territory. Virtually, people can do whatever they want. Protecting your data is protecting your gold, protecting your money. As much as possible, try to work hard, devotion, will help you a lot tomorrow, not only to create job for yourself, also for others. If you really want to enjoy the fruits of your labor, devotion is very important. You have to work day and night. You have to save your money. You have to share your knowledge. Together, we can make a difference in East Africa, in Africa. I'm very happy to be here. I wish you all the best.